Welcome back, guys. Welcome to another daily market recap. And today we are in the green by like 30 pennies. Not really. We are up $4.25. So very small day. But broke the two losing day streak. So green is good. I only took one trade today. So let's hop over and take a look at it. Um, so we actually got here is my P&L. $4.25. My one trade was on UPC with small share size because it was quite expensive. Um, but yeah, looking at like our top gainers, we have XBIO up 205%, but it's already retraced pretty much half this move, and this was all at 4 to 6:30, so I wasn't awake. ATON, not what I wanted to click. This made a good move right here, but it was already a bit too expensive, and yeah, I wasn't willing to risk the big drops because I mean it did have it in them. I mean, this is if we open this up on go full screen so it's easier to see. We went from a high up here of 1695 to a low of 1280 fairly quickly. So yeah, just wasn't really a good opportunity. I mean, maybe could have got in on a pullback right around 13, but not my cup of tea right now. I want to trade some stuff that's a bit cheaper. Just I mean, UPC was $12, $13, but yeah, maybe I could have traded that, but one and done, 100% accuracy. I'll take that. So if we'll go look at my trade on UPC. So it started squeezing a little bit before 7 a.m. and then we got this rally up and then this pullback here. And my trade was on the break, kind of one to anticipate, hopefully try to break the top of this candle. So I was getting in right around here on this, just trying to break through that. And we got a nice little squeeze up. I made 20 something cents. I just took my profit. It was only with 25 shares, so yeah, that got me up $4 on the day. So nothing too big. I was kind of hoping for got to get rid of the 200 EMA here. Oh wait, wrong stock. Never mind. It was a different stock that had a gap on the daily. I think it might have been ATON. But I can't remember. But yeah, that's my day for today. Very small green day. I'm just trying to chip away at just being a little more consistent, dialing in my entries, and just stop kind of rushing into something and then hesitating. Like just find what you want and commit to it. So yeah, let me know how you guys did today, and we'll be back tomorrow. Peace.